Hello and welcome to the channel. Here we use Microsoft Office Word and Excel to create art. Specifically, we use Office Shapes and drawing tools within those two applications. So let's get started. We're going to create a typewriter key. Insert, Shapes, choose a round circle, like so. Let's make it sort of a medium gray right now. We may change that. Now we're going to go and add a gradient, shape fill gradient. Okay. Now it's going to be a round key, so I am going to not change the shape of it right now. I'm just going to go and add a bevel. And to add the bevel, we'll move this to the side. That one looks good. I'll take that one for now. Now we go into Shape Styles. Click here. Go into the middle icon. Okay. We're going to add some depth. All right. 3D rotation. And just going to turn it around. Let's give it some more depth. Sorry, wrong way. Okay. And I'm not sure if we're going to put a cover over top of it. Might just do that. I'm not 100% sure. But with the depth, I want to make it darker. Okay. Material, we can look around and see what's suitable. It's sort of hit and miss. That one looks good. I'm going to use that one for now. Angle the light. Okay. Contour. That should be a little bit different. Just to see what we can do with that. Darker. Bottom bevel. I'm going to create it round. That doesn't do anything. Well, it does, but not that much. Okay. If you just leave it like that. Let's check our materials again. Bring that down a bit. Make the depth Now we haven't done anything with the lighting, so let's look at the lighting. That one looks good. I'm going to take this one. I'm going to look for a letter. So insert, shapes. Okay. Let's just say letter, we'll do letter K. Make that bold. Arial black. Let's see if we can't make it bigger. All right. Now, of course, shape fill, no fill. No fill. Shape outline, no outline. Let's make this into fixed so it's easy to move. Let's bring it down. All right. The fun starts. Let's see what we have here. That's kind of cool. I don't know if we can get away with that. Let's use this one. Okay, we're gonna now rotate it. Not too much. I think this thing has to rotate down. Then we can rotate this. Which text effects bevel. You know what? The best thing is to stand it up. .360 and then stand this thing up. Let's go to 360 here. Okay, then we're going to group them. And then we're just going to see if we can't. And with this thing, we're going to bring this down to like the lowest. We're going to take this bottom part and we're going to make it even bigger. Like that. Contour. Softer like that. We're going to get insert shape. We're going to make like a acrylic glass cover for the key. And to do that, of course, we have to make it gray. I'm going to do a solid color here. Let's see, gray. Shape outline, no outline. Okay. I'm going to go here. Bevel. Actually, I'm going to go here. Shape effects, bevel. And I'm going to look the profile of the. I don't know if this one would be good. Something like that. And then, okay, so that's the top. Well, actually, you know what? It's not supposed to stick out. Let's put this one aside. Let's get another one. Let's go copy, paste, put it here. I wonder if we flip this around. Just wondering if it looks sunken. Yeah, that looks sunken. Okay. That's what we need to do is now make it transparent over top. And maybe give it a bit of yellow, like it's old. Yellow or gray. I'm just going to check the lighting. This has to come off. This has to move. I think we have to undo, ungroup. Shape format, group, ungroup. Okay, and then this thing, what I want to do is go here, expand that, and take this, put this back over top. I'm going to make a copy of this. And I'm going to make these different letters. So before the K is the J. Okay. And then after it is the JKL. So you can even write your name, have your own special font. Guys, I'm going to add an extra layer. Basically, I chose another circle and I made it blue and I gave it a bevel and I added some contour, and I'm just going to cover these keys up like that. You can always make it better. All right. Okay, thanks for watching.